Hi there, I'm from VEMME Verticals Private Limited. I'm Santosh here and I'm going to take you to a webinar which is going to show you some points of ICT departments which will help you enhance your productivity. And this will help you to grow as now this is the time you should grow and get your gear up and get your business. So let's begin with this. I'll share my screen. Yeah. Here it is. Corporate ICT awareness. This is ICT, Information Communication Technology Awareness, where there are a few points which will help you to enhance your productivity and get together and go grow your business, where your client grows, you grow, and we grow. Together we'll win it out. So let's begin. So firstly, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm from VEMME Verticals Private Limited. I'm Santosh Pimpre here, having an experience of 25 years in information technology, communication, and security products and services. We are specialized in creating new solutions out of the combination of products and softwares together to solve the problems of our clients, where we solve the problems to get their desired output. So here, let's start with the points. The points to enhance your ICT, that is information, communication, technology. These are the points. The points are like auditing, then you have tailor-made IT, then you have software, then you have cloud service, then data recovery, then firewall, web service, IT support. And these are the points which I was talking about. So let's get into the details of it. Audit of IT. When you see this picture, you'll definitely come to know that I'm talking about the old PCs or the old configurations what you have in your office and which you want to discard, or you want to know what exactly the position of the machines are, where it will help you to understand the user's performance, how the performance of the user can be enhanced by upgrading these machines or discarding and getting new ones, or the same thing, what will the output they can come out with. So this is how we can analyze your users. At the same time, the team will get better picture of how they can perform better. So this is for that, the audit is for that. Then you have repeated problems which the user, the team member come to you saying that I have a problem, which is a repeated problem. So that also can be sorted out once you have an audit done. So I would suggest that the audit should be done in 3 months time or a monthly basis, which will help you to understand what the situation of the systems are. This will again help you in finding out there are few softwares which you might be using long time back, but you are still paying onto that. Now you can stop that if you are not using those softwares. So when you do the audit, you come to know what softwares you are actually using and what you are paying. So you can definitely understand from that what has to be paid and what has not to be paid. So this is the audit which will definitely give you a different insight of it and definitely can work. So this is what I would suggest you to do it monthly basis, not if monthly, at least do it in quarterly basis, which will help you do this. So this is one point which will enhance your business, enhance your performance. And this is the time when you have to gear up and get your business. So for that, you require to do this. So we go to the next point, the tailor-made IT software, IT support. When you're talking about the tailor-made IT support, definitely it means you can have the IT resource according to your requirement. So where might be the IT resource which you are using might be for only IT. Now you don't have that much of IT work, so you can have that resource with multitasking. So you can have a person which can do these two things together or three things together. So I would suggest you to go and get a tailor-made IT resource which will help you to reduce the cost of your resources and you get better efficiency out of it. So which will help you to grow. Here we are talking about growing. So when you're talking about growing, you have to cut down on whatever things we don't require and get the best out of whatever you have. So this is what you can do. So you have a tailor-made. We have different type of tailor-made solutions with us. So if you want, we can definitely give you a solution for the same. So this tailor-made IT solutions resources will definitely help you. So go get it. We go to the next point, which is the software. When we talk about the software part, when you analyze, you come to know that there are few things which you can automate. When you have your team members which they are doing repeated work, all that can be automated. So for that, if you discuss, we can do an audit and we can find out if you want, or you can do it from your own vendor. Try to find out what are solutions they have for automation, free of cost. I'm talking about. I'm not talking about buying a software when you're increasing the cost. I'm talking about free products which can be used, which are very much original, authentic, and you can automate your processes where which will help you for your team members to get the processes faster and they can perform better. When they perform better, it becomes better for the company. So this is how you can enhance. So for that, you can go in for an automation for the softwares. New technologies are coming. If you don't have any details about it, you can definitely get in touch with me. I'll definitely give you that, and you can work on that. So this is this is the way you can have the enhancement done on your systems. The next point is the cloud service. Nowadays, in this particular six months time, you might have come across with cloud service. A lot of cloud services like Zoom. There are Google Meet. There are Microsoft Meet. All those things are there, which are all cloud based. So when you're talking about cloud based, once you know now what is cloud based, I would suggest you to take your data on cloud. Try to keep your data on cloud, which will help you to get the access of the data anytime, anywhere. At the same time, it becomes secure, and because it is anytime, anywhere, you can have the access. If you have you don't have the time bond where you want to take out a report of a particular thing, you can get it anytime, anywhere. So it will help you to enhance your performance and to grow. So I would definitely suggest you don't go in for the full-fledged cloud services. You can go in by step, where you can slowly get your data on cloud and then do it. So this will definitely help you to grow, enhance your performance, and become better. This is how you can do this. So the next point I'm talking about is the firewall product. And this firewall is definitely related to when you're talking about cloud services, because when you're on cloud, when you're using your machines from cloud, yes, there are going to be problems like you're going to be hacked, your machine is going to have viruses. Also, here you can have a firewall connectivity done, or you might be having firewall software or hardware. You can just properly program it in a proper fashion, which will help you to block unnecessary intruders coming into it. And there are people who are coming with their own laptops in your office, so you can have the blocking of those where the data which is there in office will not be transferred onto their own machines. So that is how you can block it. So for that, if you have a firewall in place, definitely you're secure. So for that, plus it can give you load balancing. Here, if you have I'm talking about ISP. When you're having internet connectivity, you have two internet connectivities, you want to have load balancing. Nowadays, you can see that there are a lot of companies which are giving good plans. So you can switch over primary, secondary. You can always do that. All that can be done from the firewall. So that will definitely help you. At the same time, you can block some sites which will the users are accessing. So all that can be stopped, where you can use the whole bandwidth for your work only. So this is a firewall which will definitely save a lot of cost and a lot of energy, and that will definitely enhance your performances. So this is one point which I would definitely like to emphasize on. Then moving on to the next part is the web services. When you're talking about web services, nowadays people are all online. You find people doing shopping online, they're seeing movies online, everything is online. So schools are online. So I would suggest you try to get your services online. There might be you're doing, or there are some services which are doing online, but I'll try to make it more elaborate by saying that you can go in for mailing activities, you can do mailing activities, you can do SEO. All that SEO is, again, you can have where the traffic coming to your website increases. You can do that. Digital awareness you can do, because there are a lot of people on digital platforms nowadays. You can definitely go and do digital awareness from LinkedIn, from Facebook, from Google. All these ads you can make, and you make it a part of your company marketing department. So which will help you to be there in the digital platform as well as on the normal platform what you are doing. So this is a point which you definitely should think about and get into it. So that is one thing which will enhance your marketing as well as it can give you a better reach. That is, so I would definitely insist to go in for this. So the next point is about IT support. When I'm talking about IT support, yes, we are into IT. We are also doing IT support. I would suggest the IT person coming to your company should be like once in a month, might be in 2 months it should come once. That is how the IT person should be, where you come to know that the downtime of your company's systems are really fantastic. So this is what you should be minimizing your downtime. For that, you should have a proper IT team, IT support people who will definitely take care that they are not frequently visiting your office, and that is the way you can definitely enhance your performance, because you're peacefully working on your PCs and you can definitely give a better performance. This is how your IT performance should be. So please work on that. The last point is about the data recovery part. Data recovery part is again an important thing. Might be you were not aware, or it might be you might have lost a lot of data. But here I'm talking about a software which will cost you hardly anything, or might be there is free software you can have it in built in your office, where data recoveries can be done, which will help you to get your data recovered. Whatever data you have created, which gets deleted by somebody or gets corrupted because of the virus, that can be recovered, and that becomes more peaceful, because then you don't have to rework on that. When you're not reworking, definitely you are not wasting your time, your energy onto the old things. So this will again enhance your performance. This is how you have to gear up. So these are the points which I would definitely like you to think on, work on, and do the best. This is how these are the points which I'm talking about. So thanks a lot for joining in, and do come next time to take another look of the another product. Thank you very much. I'm signing off. Thank you.